Hi guys, welcome to Design Strong. Today we are solving problem number 10 from the LeetCode problem solving series, and this problem is regular expression matching. Given an input string s and a pattern p, implement regular expression matching with support for dot and star, where dot means match any single character and star means matches 0 or more characters. The matching should cover the entire input string, okay, not partial. So example is s is aa and p equals a, then output is false because a does not match aa, okay. If the input was aa and a star, the output is true because 0, like star means there should be 0 or more characters, so this is a match. If it was AB and dot star, that means it's also true because 0 means 0 or more characters or of anything, then dot. Okay, so this is more like a regular expression match that we have in almost all the languages that we have. So in order to solve this, I am going to use Java as my language. So what I have here is I will store the length of both the strings, because this is where I am going to have all my calculations basis on. So what I've done is I've taken rows and columns as respective lengths. So first of all will be the base condition. So if row is 0 and columns also 0, then just simply return true. Another base condition, if columns is 0 and we have not been into the first condition, then return false, because that means both the strings are not same. Then I will utilize a dynamic programming sort of approach here to solve this. So what I have done is I am creating a 2D array here of type boolean, and the size is going to be rows plus 1 and columns plus 1. So this is where I will use the dynamic programming approach. In order to initialize, what I will do is I will initialize the first value to be true, and then let's start with pattern star condition. So what I will do is for int I equals to I less than columns I plus plus, and what I am doing is if p dot char at I minus 1 equals to asterisk, then what I will do is dp of 0 comma I becomes dp of 0 at I minus 2. So this is going to handle the empty string and empty pattern match with a star. For remaining characters, what I will do is I will have int I equals 1 I less than rows plus 1 I plus plus, and within this loop I will have another loop for int j equals 1 j is less than columns plus 1 j plus plus, so a double loop. And then within this loop what I am going to do is if s dot char at I minus 1 is equal to p dot char at j minus 1, so that means the characters of both are matching, and p dot char at j minus 1 is, let's say, dot, so this will handle the dot condition as well. Then what I will do is in this case dp of I comma j becomes dp of I minus 1 and let's say j minus 1. So this is where dynamic programming will help us. Or if we don't get into this condition, then I will have another condition when j is, let's say, greater than 1 and the character in p at the position that we are traversing is, let's say, star. So star pattern will get handled here. So in this case dp of I comma j will become dp of I comma j minus 2. So in this case I will not move, only j will move. And if, let's say, p dot char at j minus 2 is, let's say, dot, this is special condition, or p dot char at j minus 2 is same as the char at for s at I minus 1, then we will have dp of I comma j being initialized as dp of I j dp of I j with an or of I minus 1 and j. So this should be able to solve pretty much all the cases that we have, and we are going to return dp of rows and, let's say, the columns. Let's see if this works or not. So this is a problem at line number 31. Okay, so if j was greater than 1, then this becomes dp of, my bad, this is not comparison, this is equal. Okay, so the normal test case is working fine. Let's see if all the other test cases are working or not. Yep, it's working fine. So this is the solution that we have coded here. Thanks guys for watching. In case if you like the video, do not forget to subscribe because we are going to solve all the problems that we have on LeetCode. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.